Introduce highlight features or overview summary of VLH Smart Portable TV on Wheels. 32-inch portable touchscreen smart TV with Android 15, built-in battery and wireless streaming. This 32-inch portable touchscreen smart TV delivers a powerful combination of mobility, interactivity, and smart entertainment. Powered by an Android 15 EDLA certified operating system, it offers full access to the Google Play Store, allowing users to download and enjoy popular streaming apps such as Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime Video, and more. The familiar Android interface makes navigation smooth and intuitive, just like using a tablet. Designed for true portability, the TV features a high-capacity 38,400 mAh rechargeable battery that supports extended use without being tied to a power outlet. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enable reliable wireless streaming whether you're at home, traveling in an RV, camping outdoors, or using a mobile hotspot. The interactive 10-point touchscreen allows direct control of apps and content, transforming the TV into a large tablet or mobile monitor. With a full HD 1080p display, this 32-inch screen delivers sharp visuals and immersive picture quality. A sturdy base ensures stability while moving or repositioning the unit. The integrated 5-megapixels webcam supports video calls, meetings, and content creation, while wireless screencasting makes sharing content from phones, tablets, or computers effortless. If you want to get full features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.